Number one, visualize the process, not just the outcome. It is easy to imagine the end result, success, recognition, achievements, but real growth happens when you focus on the steps it takes to get there. Visualize the process, strengthening the natural pathway associated with action, not just wishful thinking. Number two, use implementation intention. Turn go into clear plan. If X happen, then I will do Y. This simple technique will reduce decision fatigue and help you act automatically when the momentum comes. Number three, practice deliberate discomfort daily. Growth lives outside your comfort zone. By intentionally doing small, uncomfortable things each day, you train your brain to handle uncertainty and build resilience over time. Number four, replace I have to with I get to. Language shape perception, shifting from obligation to opportunity instantly change your mindset. Make tasks feel empowering instead of draining. Number five, track streak, not perfection. Perfection is paralyzed. Progress is motivating. Focus on consistent. Each small win build momentum and reinforce positive habits in your brain. Number six, surround yourself with reminder of who you want to become. Your environment influences your identity, whether it is quotes, visual, or people. Constant reminder help align your daily action with your future self. Number seven, review failure weekly for lesson, not self-criticism. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of it. Reflect regularly, extra lesson, and move forward without asking judgments. Number eight, sleep on big decision. Your brain continues processing information even when you sleep. Giving yourself time allows for better clarity, improved judgment, and smart decision. Number nine, celebrate small win. Every small achievement release dopamine, reinforcing positive behaviors. An acknowledging process keep you motivated and train your brain to sync productive activities. Number 10, learn new skills. Engaging in challenging activities such as learning a new language, music, an instrument, or habit stimulates the creation of new neural connection.